How to change your HP ePrint email address from HP Smart. Use your HP Smart account, formerly HP Connected, to change your printer's HP ePrint email address to a customized address for receiving print jobs from any device. On your computer or mobile device, go to hpsmart.com and click the Sign In link. Enter the email address associated with your account and then select Next. Enter your password and then select Sign In. Find the printer you want to update and then select Change Settings. Otherwise, your printer settings display automatically. In the ePrint address section, enter a new email address for your printer and then select Submit. If the email address entered is not available, enter a different address and then select Submit. The address updates, and you can resume sending ePrint jobs to your printer from an email account or voice-activated device such as Google Home or Amazon Echo.
Before heading ahead into the video, in case you are facing any issue with your HP printer device, get in touch with our HP printer expert. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our videos, and in the case face any problem, get in touch with the experts.